Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Rhea and my YouTube channel is Rhea_Home for 4. If you are new to my YouTube channel, don't forget to subscribe, and also don't forget to leave a like or a comment if you like my video today. So finally, we are done with my daughter's closet. It took us a while to finish it because my husband and I both work full time, and actually we're just doing the reshelving or putting in the shelves on our spare time or on our weekend. So it took us a while to finish it, but we are very happy that it's finally done. But this is just the closet. I don't have the clothes or my daughter's clothes back in here yet, but I'm going to do the reveal of the new closet first. My husband and I work hard on this. Especially my husband, he worked harder than I did because it's mostly like measuring, and it's more of his his thing. But I really appreciated that he took his time helping me on this one. Thank you so much. And I'm pretty sure my daughter is really like happy because finally the closet is finished and we can actually put back all the clothes that we have on her bed for almost 2 weeks now. And every time I open the door, she's not been sleeping in her room, but every time I open her bedroom door, it stresses me out because of all of the clutter and all of the clothes that's in like on the bed. And that's why I've been looking forward to finishing the closet so that we can finally declutter, purge, and donate the items that we think it doesn't fit her anymore, or she doesn't like anymore, or pretty worn out. So that's gonna be on my next YouTube video. Sorry for my accent, but that's going to be on my next video. But anyway, today I'm gonna be showing the tour of the finished product of all the hard work for my daughter's closet. Okay, here we go. Sorry for the lighting because I have like it's nighttime right now while I'm filming this one, but since, like I said, I can't wait to reveal the closet so that I could start organizing the clothes that are in there. So every time I see it, it stresses me out. But anyway, here we go. Yeah. If you haven't seen the before picture, you should see the before picture, because all it was, like, there were only like that shelving over there, the very top, the wire shelving, and then there's another like shelving here in the middle. So, but anyway, we bought a prefabricated closet system, and they are pretty nice. We really like it. I especially like this drawer over here because it'll take her underwear maybe, and some socks, and some leggings, and some shorts or skirts. But this side over here is for her like long dresses. That's why I don't have like shelving at the bottom. And also I added an additional like shelving or shelf that I bought from Target, and it's actually pretty easy to assemble. I'm gonna put up a video on how to assemble this one. But anyway, we also added, or I also bought this really cute bins to store some of her items that she doesn't use every day. But we added a pretty cute mirror so she can actually, like, when she's trying to get ready in the morning, she could, do her, like, brushing her hair and, getting ready. And we want this closet to be like her forever closet or forever bedroom, if because we don't want her to outgrow this and then changing it again. So this is meant for like when she becomes a teenager and she's old enough to do makeup. So this is going to be a perfect space for her to do her makeup and, you know, curling her hair and stuff like that. So, and on the beginning of this video, I actually put the wallpaper the same as this one over here, but I thought she'll like a different, like floral or girly type of uh wallpaper over here. And this one, actually I bought this from CVS. It's just a regular wrapping paper, and then I use a double-sided tape to put it in there. So you know, it kind of like gives a character, gives it like a really cutesy for a little girl. And my daughter, she's just 9, but like I said, this is going to be like her closet, and I hope she'll grow into this and she'll find this useful until she becomes a teenager. So there's that. And also I added more shelvings over here. So this one is a hanging system where we can probably hang some you know, sweaters maybe, or t-shirts and stuff like that. And then over here I put an old, we've had this before, but this is an old canvas bins or containers. I didn't buy anything, but this is for like extra clothes, maybe t-shirts or whatever, but I haven't thought about that yet. But for sure I'll be filming everything, decluttering, and then posting it in a new YouTube video, so you guys can also see how we put back in her clothes in this new closet system. But we really invested on all of these items because this is something that we like. I personally think that if something like this is here, we don't think we're gonna be changing it. I'm sorry guys, I got interrupted. I had to take a phone call, and I'm using my camera as my while filming this video. But anyway, like I said, we're really invested on these like closet system because we know that it's gonna be here forever, and we want it to be sturdy, and we want it to serve its purpose and maximize the space and be useful and efficient and everything. We just want this to serve its purpose. This is a closet, so we want this to have like that space to take the clothes. And like before, it only has 2 like wire shelving. It's builder grade, and we didn't have like, you know, that's how it is when you have it built. They're just gonna put in a regular wire shelving. But anyway, we're just so glad that we did this, and I'm very happy. I'm thankful for, you know, for my husband for working so hard and putting everything in here. And this is just the first of many more, because the next one is going to be my son's closet, and then maybe in the future mine and my husband's master's closet. And you know, it'll be all in the video, and I'll be posting everything in my YouTube channel, and I'll be filming everything so that you can at least learn and, you know, improve what you can improve at your house. It doesn't have to be exactly like this. It doesn't have to have exactly like this wallpaper, or also you can also have that exact wallpaper. I won't mind. It's just that I'm sharing this video so you can all enjoy, for, you know, just watching, or you enjoy and planning for the future, and maybe you're gonna do it yourself. But I'm really happy. I also bought these skinny hangers.
Shirt hangers.
Skinny hangers to maximize this closet space. And I purchased the cream color with a gold what do you call that, handle. But anyway, I bought this from Walmart. But if you don't have if you don't have this available at your local Walmart, I'll be linking an Amazon link in the description down below so you can buy the same thing.